Sania Maskatiya is undeniably one of Pakistan's most loved and most successful fashion brands. The fashion industry was already a couple of decades old when this newcomer opened her first flagship store in Karachi. That was back in 2011, and from there on, there was no looking back. Her store opened with a clear vision, a foolproof business plan, and a signature aesthetic that became one of the most widely emulated styles in Pakistan. 2-3 prints को एक outfit में जोड़ना, buttons को utility से निकाल कर style और ornamentation बनाना, ये attention to detail सानिया ने एक नए अंदाज में introduce किया. A textile graduate, Sania brought her love for print into everything that she did. That included evening wear, and her collections were recognized for those prints, whether they were inspired by the people of the Indus, transformed into long-limbed figurines, or the traditional craft of Turkey. Over the years, Sania has rolled out collection after collection, each one being unique and original in its ethos. But that's not just why she's so popular. Thanks to Umair Tabani, her brother and CEO of the company, Sania Maskatiya has a sound business operation and a great attitude which allows the customer to believe that anything is possible. This can-do approach has won her popularity, while her clarity of design has won her awards for luxury pret and evening wear. She's made a name for herself beyond Pakistan, participating in Lakme Fashion Week across the border, and even finding one of her designs on the cover of Cosmopolitan India, modeled by none other than style icon Sonam Kapoor. Sania has competed for the prestigious Woolmark Prize, and this year she made a debut at the world's most coveted fashion platform, New York Fashion Week. She's come a long way since she started out, but for Sania Maskatiya, this is just the beginning. Hi, we're here with Sania Maskatiya today, and Sania is one of those people who dictate trends for luxury pret in Pakistan. Yeah, Sania, we love your clothes.
Thank you.
And we love the fact that you've introduced a fun element to luxury pret. Like there's print and there's texture and there's layering and all of that happening while keeping it young and fresh and upbeat. So you tell me now, you tell the viewers, what are the trends for luxury pret, especially when going to a wedding this year?
Okay, you want to be comfortable. You want to feel like really you're dressing up, so it has to be special.
Right.
It can't be what you're wearing in the daytime. So even like just a kurta, you can just glam it up with a belt, with a dupatta, the way you style it. Like I like a lot of layers, sort of. If it's print on print or pair it up with an old shalwar, something old, something new.
Yeah. And does print ever get too casual for evening wear?
Not at all. So we as a design team, we like to play with print and then and textures. So to build upon textures, it's and also keeping, not to make it really thick. Okay, in the winter you can wear thicker clothes, but all throughout the year we try to work a lot with cotton nets and fabrics which are friendly to wear in Pakistan.
Right.
And
we're looking at a more topical season here in Karachi, right?
Yes.
So you want clothes that will carry you through the year.
Absolutely, because if you're investing in a piece, you want to wear it not just once or twice.
So other than velvet, but that's essential, right? Velvet is like it's important to have in the cover.
A couple of velvet outfits are always great, and every year they don't date.
Yeah.
You can keep wearing them season after season.
Yeah.
But with printed clothes, it's it's more memorable if you wear it. You can repeat it in a different way. So we do a lot of printed saris or printed bases, and then we do a little bit of embellishment on them.
And we've noticed a couple of hybrid pant saris, and there's the Garara pant, and there's a lot of diversification in the silhouette this year.
I think people want to wear different silhouettes. They don't want to just wear a kurta or a peshwaz, or they want something fun, like diverse, especially the younger.
And they're also shadi hopping, right?
Yes. and so like the slightly more older women, they want something more like elegant, more refined, like more beautiful work on their dupatta and a bit on the kameez. But I think the younger girls sort of want to have more fun with their outfits.
Absolutely. Yeah, so let's take a look at the outfits, and Mushk is looking great. And the collection, of course, this is all part of the Lulu collection.
Yes. And so this is Lulu Edit 2.
Edit 2. So we've seen a couple of outfits from Edit 1. And yeah, let's take a look.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is a new luxury collection, and I want you to tell me that this is a sari, but it looks like a hybrid.
Yes.
So tell me about the trend.
So this is a pant sari. We've been playing with a silhouette for a few years now. Every season we try to vary it a bit. This time we've taken it out with a ruffle structure, sort of playful blouse. It's got a digital print which we've designed in-house. You know, it's nice for the winter months, and it's on chameau silk. It's got a pant attached to it. We've sort of variated the drape this time, and it's just like fun and playful, and you know, you can wear it to like a dinner or a shadi with like jewelry. Yeah.
Now, this is not a bridal outfit, right? But it's something that the bride can wear, and it's something that the family members can wear, and something that you would wear to a wedding. So you tell me, what is the primary use and what is the trend?
So, okay, our focal point, sort of how we're designing for this season, it has to be comfortable.
Yeah.
It can't be over the top. It has to be affordable. It has to have some sort of intricate embroideries. So over here, we've introduced the shawl. Okay, and it's all you know, got a lot of like nice subtle colors. And then we have a peshwas. Okay, so it's not too much work. So just the bodice is worked. It's all primarily thread work with a little bit of you know, zardos and Haute ka kaam. Okay, so just the emphasis is there.
Right.
The idea is that people can dress it up and down. Some people don't want to be decked out from head to toe at other people's weddings, or even the bride herself leading up to the events. We've chosen black for this particular outfit, but it's in different colorways. We're doing all jewel colors and creams. And it's just an outfit which I think is quite versatile. We've paired it with a print at the back, and it's just really soft, and it's not like stiff and like itchy. It's just comfortable.
This is not ready to wear, is it?
So these are going to be ready to wear. Like, it is ready to wear.
Fantastic. Which means that it will be slightly more cost effective?
Absolutely. And you know, people have, there's like so many events in the winter months, right?
Yeah.
And none of us plan ahead. So it's easier to have a solution where you can just go get it fitted to your size, like, you know, aage piche, the bodice and stuff, and then, you know, wear it that very same day.
Okay, Sania, we're at the tail end of our shoot today, and as we can see, the light is gone and those lovely shadows are gone. However, Mushk is still here and she's looking beautiful, and I'm loving the lighter palette. Is this kind of targeted towards an afternoon wedding, because day weddings are so like in, you know, in winter? Tell me about the outfit.
Absolutely. This is just like an earthy print. It's got a little bit of scenery. It's inspired by the subcontinental crafts. We've kept the palette sort of subtle. This outfit comes in 2 other colorways. So if someone looking, you can wear it in the day. Again, it's about you know, dressing it up or dressing it down. A lot of people don't want to wear bling to a wedding. They just want to have a little something that is enough. So we just have to work around the neckline, sleeves, and one motif up here. And you know, it's just again play of textures of silk and medium silk and cotton net. And just with the koti and angarkha, old school, like,
do I notice a bit of velvet trimming on the neckline?
Yeah, just a tiny bit on the sleeves and on the neckline.
And on the neckline. So again, this outfit would be very versatile, right?
Absolutely.
To carry you through the day, and you can wear it as evening wear as well.
Absolutely, and it's transitional into spring and summer.
Right.
And it's just like a really like cool color palette, I feel, you know, it's soothing to the eyes.
So give me some technical advice, Sania, that, you know, this kind of a silhouette with a tightened bodice looks very good on a fashionable figure. But somebody who is slightly more round or somebody who's slightly more top heavy, how would you recommend this to them?
You know, honestly, you need to wear something you feel comfortable in. So I think it doesn't depend on your size. It's how you feel in an outfit. If somebody wants to wear this, you know, they can own it and wear it. Having said that, a lot of people would be perhaps a bit hesitant wearing a choti fitted koti. So in that case, you know, we can take this print on the daman, or you know, make a kurta version of this,
right,
and have this print like more like maybe 10 inches on the sleeves or something. We can variate it. I mean, there will be variations in the store. Absolutely.
And the best thing about the brand Sania Maskatiya is the can-do attitude, that everything can be customized and everything can be changed, you know. And I love that about your brand. There's never a no, right? There's never a no, it can't happen. So that's the great thing about the brand. Thank you so much, Sania. It was great talking to you today.